And welcome back to my channel. Today's a little bit different than my typical, I guess, tutorial. I usually use my main camera, but today I wanted to take you guys with me actually on this tutorial. As you can see from the promo video in the beginning, I am making a DIY tier tray decor for Valentine's Day. I have seen these tier trays literally everywhere. I am obsessed with them. The original plan was to do it for Christmas, but I kind of got a little too busy with making my orders. We were doing it for Valentine's Day this time, which is still just as good. I wanted to vlog today because I actually wanted to go to Hobby Lobby and I wanted to go to Michael's because I want to see if I can find some cute little fillers for the tier tray. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys and take you along with me as I go to Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And before I take you guys along with me on this drive, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this content and more of my DIY, Cricut, vlogging, travel. I do kind of all of that in a nutshell. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in my car. In Hobby Lobby whatsoever, and I'm kind of mad because it's like not close to where I live. I'm gonna go to Michael's, which is right near my house, and see what else they have. I will meet you at Michael's. Forgot to put my microphone on, so I'm going to show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby first, then Michael's, and then I'll actually make the tier tray. I got this cute home sign, yay, and then I found this, which is like kind of just cute and like rustic, little like coffee bean holder, I guess, if you wanna. And then Michael's had the best Valentine's Day thing. Really couldn't find anything in Hobby Lobby. I was actually shocked. Found this cute little box of hearts and I figured I could put it all around the tier tray. And then I found this, which I love. Yeah, there you go. Ever since I went to Bali, I just love everything about the Buddha. And then this is what I was looking for. I was just looking for like a cute Valentine's Day sign, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna make the tier tray, but then I'm also going to make that popular DIY wood bead string. And I'm not gonna do two tassels at the end. On one end, I bought these cute rustic tags, and I'll show the back of it. And then this is my tray decor. We're gonna try and make this. So I'm probably gonna speed this part up. Now that I'm done with this, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you guys how I made this on my computer. Then we can get to decorating. So first things first, I opened up Cricut Design Space and created a template of the white wood tag. It measured as 3.5 by 2.5, so I changed the measurements on the square I made. Now, this part was really tricky because I wanted to have the saying "be mine" on the tag, but I couldn't find anything I liked on Google, so I actually went on Etsy and found this shirt that I liked and took a screenshot of it. Now, this is totally not acceptable if you decide to make this and want to make profit off of it. Do not do this at all because this is only good for personal use and this is taking someone else's design. I didn't really feel comfortable doing this, but it was just for me, so I didn't really mind. So I then converted it into an SVG, which I happened to do a video on this, so I will speed this part up, but I will insert a card of the video that I made so you guys can watch that. So once we hit save, we're going to adjust the size of the SVG to fit on the tag. I also decided to slice this design because I didn't like the hearts in it and I wanted to replace it with the hearts that the Cricut Design Space already has. I also made a video on how to slice in Cricut Design Space, so please go ahead and watch that video as well, and I'll insert another card of course so I can speed this part up too. Once I was done, I welded the design and clicked make it. Since we are using Oracal 651 vinyl, I adjusted the settings to vinyl with the plus sign so it cuts a little deeper. And then you can weed your design when the Cricut is done with it. So I'm back. Kind of change of plans. I was originally going to apply Oracal 651 vinyl to this little guy right here that I was telling you guys about. However, I just realized I don't have red vinyl. That's not Good. I'm actually going to show you guys how to paint on here using 651 vinyl. I have white Oracal 651 vinyl, so I'm going to weed it right now. So see, what I did was I weeded all the lettering in here, and I weeded the hearts. So the background is left and the inside of the bees and whatnot are left in there. I'm going to take my handy dandy vinyl that I just cut, and we are going to transfer this onto here. So again, if you guys couldn't see, I have this that I just weeded out. I'm going to do it this way, and then I have my transfer tape. Again, this is from the Dollar Tree. Place the transfer tape on the design. What we do is when you put transfer tape on, you're going to take your scraper tool and you're just going to get those bubbles out. We have this lovely stencil that we are now going to paint. I'm just taping over the hearts right now. I'm gonna shake up this paint because I don't know when the last time I used it. You have to put on the lightest bit. Don't go like, you know, crazy. Make sure that the paint dries after each time. And sometimes if I just need a little bit, which in this case I do, I take the end of the cap, like, well, the top of the cap, and then I just do it like that. So I changed my mind. I think I'm going to do the red tassel at the end instead of the twine. I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute tassel. So my hands are pretty small, but what you do is you're going to wrap this around. So I'm going to use like my entire palm. Just wrap it around about maybe 20 times or so. We're going to cut the rest of it at the end. We are going to wrap twine around the top part of this. Cut piece off, take this, wrap it around, tie this one more time. Probably do a triple knot just to be safe. I can take off this piece. Next, I'm going to take this black piece of lanyard and I'm going to loop it through and tie a knot. Now you can start putting the wooden beads onto the lanyard. So I'm going to speed this part up, and when it's done, I'm going to have an awesome wood bead lanyard. I'm gonna create a loop. We're going to take our keep sign and we're gonna loop this around. So now let's finish the rest of this. And I will show you guys the final product on the tiered tray. Okay, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, as always, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you want to see more of my YouTube videos. Comment down below what you thought of this video, and if you do try this tutorial at home, please don't forget to tag my Instagram name, which is the same as my YouTube name, amynacolediyy, and I will see you guys as always in the next video, okay? Bye!